This is graph note. How to do the sum. Today new topic graph. Now how to mark the points, how to divide the graph. First want to divide the graph. 8th standard newly do the sums. So very carefully listen the class. See there that border line is there. See border line next starting first line is you put in 1 point and write in 1 there. Count that lines. 10th line keep in 1 point and write in 2 there. So confuse means one dot and one right after one thick line is in between. The next line you write in 2. So in between 10 lines is must there. Next 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 numbers is possible to write. See there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 line. Point keep after down you see there 1 first already 1 is marked there. You start in 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up to how much numbers is possible there? 27. Down also you write in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up to 17 up to you write there. Which number up to you want write? 17 up to you write it the number. Right after how to divide the graph. Okay, now 9th line is marked no there. There you will see that 9th line up is 9, down also 9. 2 lines also you want to join. Up 9 and down 9 you want to join there. This 9 scale and pencil use and join the line there. See there, keep the scale 9th line correctly coincide the line and draw the line. Sharp the pencil and draw very correctly want to draw the line. Should not come the 2 lines also. Correctly want to coincide the 9th line. Draw after up to you draw. No problem. Down also the 9th line. Here 15th line. See there 15th number is there have no. That 15th number and 15th line correctly want to keep in the pencil and scale. So draw the another one line. Correctly want to coincide the line. Draw after here you draw arrow mark. One arrow mark. Here also arrow mark. 15th line. Here 15th line. Down numbers. Put in the arrow mark. First what there want to write. The 2 lines also intersecting this point is first you write in 0. What the write? 0. Very smallly you write it there. Okay. Now should not come the line. Bigly the numbers. That in between small 5th line is there. Then inside you write finish. Here you write in X. Here you write in X. Here you write in X dash. So horizontal line X O X dash is called the X axis. Next up Y O Y dash. Y O Y dash, this vertical line is called the Y axis. X axis and Y axis meeting point is O. Okay, right after quadrant. Now have in the this plain paper for plain surface paper for have in the 4 columns. See that this is called the quadrant. First quadrant, left side second quadrant, down third quadrant, fourth quadrant. See I divide the graph and write it there. X O X dash. This is called the horizontal line. X axis. X O X dash is called the X axis. Vertical axis. Y O Y dash is called the Y axis. point intersecting is called origin. This horizontal line and vertical line intersecting is called origin. Now there are 4 quadrants: first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. You mark the numbers first. 0 next one line, thick line is there, have next line 10th line only 1 you write, one line there up you write and 2 write, 3 4 5 6 7 8 you write x side. Left side 0 next you write in -1. How to they write in -1? Minus symbol right after you write in 1. See the video very carefully. -1 next up one line -2. So correctly in between one line after only 10 line after you count and write it there. -2 -3 -4 -5 -6 -7 -8 up to the right. Vertical line y axis see there, 0 next they are writing 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Down you write in -1. See very carefully, smallly write it the number, bigly write means number, this bigly the write means they are confused there. I am writing there, see -1 write means which number is there, how they are confused there, so should not write there. So one write in -1 -2 -3 -3 one line right after next small line write in -2. That fifth line inside you write finished, very clearly write. Okay. Now -7 -8 -10 -11 12 13 14 up to you write. This is y dash. X O x dash x axis, y O y dash is y axis. Two line also horizontal and vertical line meeting point is O, that is called the origin. Now quadrant. Now all the one see in first x axis. Here you see means here x axis want to see. The left side see means x dash numbers only want to see there. So horizontal numbers only first preference there. Now here all the number is, what is the number? Plus value. So write in plus, comma. Here y axis all the one is plus value. So x y, x see after only want to see in the y axis. 2 also plus plus positive. This is first quadrant. Next second quadrant, here minus symbol is first, next plus symbol minus plus second quadrant. Next minus minus third quadrant, plus minus fourth quadrant. Plus here first plus value x axis, y axis is minus value fourth quadrant. Basic concept: horizontal and vertical line is named as Cartesian system. So now see that x o x dash. So horizontal line, vertical line is named as, what is the name? Cartesian system. This horizontal line is named as, x o x dash is called the x axis. The vertical line is named as y o y dash, called the y axis. Both these axes, x axis and y axis, are called the coordinate axis. X axis and y axis, these both axes are called coordinate axis. X coordinate of a point is positive along ox. This is here x coordinate. This is the x coordinate, positive along in ox, and negative numbers is along in ox dash. The same also y coordinate, this fully y coordinate of a point is positive along oy. Y coordinate and negative along in oy dash. Negative along in oy dash. First quadrant all the one is plus value, second quadrant minus and plus value, fourth quadrant x minus value, fourth quadrant plus minus value. So this is the quadrant. What is the quadrant? What is the meaning of quadrant? Quadrant, the coordinate axis divided the plane of the graph into 4 regions called quadrants. In the plane surface paper, divided into the horizontal and vertical line come the 4 region is called the quadrant. First quadrant plus plus, second quadrant minus plus value, third quadrant minus value, fourth quadrant plus minus value. Without plotting, find the quadrant. Now I am not mark there, graph to any number also not mark. Without plotting, find the quadrant. Given the number is which quadrant only you find there. Now first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant, you know there. So now given number is which quadrant, how to the year find? First he has given in some numbers, see there. Example only I am taking now, still I am not go the exercise sum. Example sum 5, 7. Now here write in x, here you write in y. Here x, y, all the numbers, points for you write in x, y, x, y, x, x, y, x, y, x, y, x, y, x, y, you write it first work. Right after given the symbol is what symbol? 5 and 7 here, any symbol is there? No. So any symbol also there not, means which symbol is there? Have plus. X is 5 is plus value, y 7 is plus value. Plus plus is which quadrant there? Plus plus first quadrant. First quadrant. Next one. Here x value is minus value, y value also minus value. 2 also minus which quadrant there? Third quadrant. Third quadrant. Here first one is x, straightly you see the symbol is minus value. Y straightly you see the symbol is, what is the value? Any symbol also there not, plus symbol is there. Minus plus is which quadrant? Second quadrant. Next 7 is not have the symbol, so you write in plus symbol. Y is minus value, plus minus is fourth quadrant. Next see here I am writing there 6, 0, 6, 0. Now here symbol have, you write it there. So 0 is there given. How do they write there? Here you see y straightly 0 is there. How you strike out the number. Now x is only variable. So how do they write? Lies on the x axis. How do they write? Lies on the x axis. X only there have the value. 0 is no variable. 0 is that given y value. So you write in lies 0, 6 lies on the x axis. Quadrant should not write there. 0, means how do they write? Lies on the x axis, lies on the y axis only you write there. Now see here 0, 4, 0, 4. Now here x straightly 0 is there. How you strike out the number? What is the value here? Y equal to 4. So how do they write? Lies on the y axis. Lies on the y axis. Next 0, minus 7. Now x0 minus value also have no problem. So without plotting only, no. So what is, how do they write? Lies on the y axis. Lies on the y dash axis, no need write. Lies on the y axis, right? Now here y value is 0. X is lies on the x axis. Lies on the x axis. Now minus 2, 0. Minus 2, 0. Y is no variable. Lies on the x axis. Okay, now one example. 0, 0, the arguments, how do they write? Lies on x axis or y axis? No. So already I say no, that two horizontal line and vertical line meeting point is 0. So this is called the origin. So 0, 0 is the origin. ORIGIN, origin. Now exercise 3.8, filling the blanks. X-axis and y-axis intersect at dash. See there, this is a x-axis. Okay, x-axis. This is the y-axis. Intersecting at the point is, what is the point? X-axis and y-axis intersect at dash. what the right intersecting point is O is called the origin. O is called the origin. So intersect at the point is, what is the point? Origin also correct. You write in 0, 0 also correct there. Next, the coordinate of the point in the third quadrant is always, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant is always, what is the value is there? Have a minus, minus. Here minus, here minus. So how they write? Negative we write. Negative. Next, 0, minus 5 points lies on the dash axis. So what I say, that point give for you write in x, y. X is 0. Which value is there? Have y equal to minus 5. Lie on the y axis. Lie on the y axis. The x coordinate is always dash on the y axis. 0 on the y axis. X axis. X coordinate. This is the x coordinate always lies on the 0. Lies on the 0 on the y axis. Next, dash coordinate are the same for the parallel to y axis. Y axis parallel is which axis there? Have x coordinate. Which coordinate is there? Have x coordinate are the same for the parallel for the y axis. Next, true or false? Minus 10, 20 lie in the second quadrant. They are asking question. Second quadrant is, what is the value is there? Have a minus, plus. Given the value, first you write in x, y. X value equal to, what is the value? Minus value. Y value is, what is the value? Plus value. So minus plus second quadrant only. So given the statement is correct, what they write? You true you write. Next, minus 9, 0 lies on the x axis. So here write there x, y value is 0. So lies on the x axis, correct or wrong? True only, correct there. The coordinate of the origin or 1, 1. Origin for what number want to come first? 0, 0 is want to come. Here given in 1, 1. So given the statement is wrong, sum is false. Origin meaning is 0, 0 only. They are given in 1, 1 for statement is wrong, false the sum. Third sum, find the quadrant without plotting the points on the graph sheet. So read the question, find the quadrant enough. Without plotting means here given in the point, you should not mark on the graph sheet. So directly write it the answer, which quadrant. Find the quadrant only write enough. First question, 3, minus 4. 5, 7, 2, 0, minus 3, minus 5, 4, minus 3. They are given the number I am writing there. First step, first one for you write in x, y, x, y, x, y, x, y. Write it in all the question for you write in x, y, x, y. You write it there. Right after, so 3 x straight, what is the number 3? 3 is what symbol? 3 nearby plus. Any symbol also there not means plus. Here 4 minus symbol. Plus minus fourth quadrant. 5, 7. X value is plus. Y value also plus. Plus plus first quadrant. 2, 0. So here 0 see there. No variable in y. You strike out first. Here have the symbol for you write it in quadrant. There not have the symbol. So write in x only. Here have the variable. So write in lies on the x axis. Minus 3, minus 5. 2 also minus symbol. Minus minus third quadrant. 4, minus 3. 4 is plus value. Minus 3 is minus value. Plus minus. Which quadrant? Plus minus fourth quadrant. Next, here you see there, minus 7, 2, minus, plus. Minus, plus is a second quadrant. Next, minus 8, 0. Y is no variable, strike out there. So, x value equal to minus value. There minus symbol there, no need to find there. So, what the right? Lies on the x axis. Lies on the x axis, right enough. 0, 10. So here x value is 0, y values have the number 10, lies on the y axis. Lies on the y axis. Minus 9 comma 50. So minus value 9, 50 is plus value. So which quadrant minus and plus? Second quadrant. Without plotting. Now I am writing in 1000 comma minus 2000. So you consider the symbol only. 1000 is what symbol is there? Have plus. 2000 is minus symbol. Plus minus is which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. The sum is book for not have. I am writing that. So understand for only I am writing. Okay, now doubt clear or not? Without plotting, how to there want to mark the points, the quadrant and all there see. So 0 only, very carefully want 0 have means you strike out the which axis are, how you strike out the number, which one have the value, write it lies on the x-axis, lies on the y-axis, right means enough there. Suppose 0, 0 given means what the right origin. Now fourth question, plot the following points in a graph sheet. Plot the following points in the graph sheet. Now given in the point, you write in the graph sheet to must want to mark that. Then before what is the work in right side? A 5 comma 2. So write in all the one for you write in x y up. One number. First number up you write in x. Second number up you write in y. Right after what is the work? Now 2 also here plus symbol, here minus. Minus symbol for here write in dash, here you write in dash. Here minus symbol for x dash y only. Here 2 also minus symbol dash right. 0 for 0 you leave it, minus symbol for y dash. Now here x plus value only. Here one is plus, another one is minus for y for minus symbol, so write in y dash. Next here x, y, x value is minus value. X, y, 2 also plus. So no need to put in the dash. Now clear or not? Minus symbol means must you write in the dash. Now 5 comma 2. 5 want to see the x-axis. 2 want to see in the y-axis. This is x only want to see. Should not see in the x dash. So x for. Now here O and x is the positive integer. X. This is x. This is the x dash. Now x for where is there have in 5 there? See there 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is there have. So keep in the finger there first. Next y-axis. This is the y-axis plus value. Here y-axis minus value. Y-axis to there have the 2. Here also keep in the point. Now how to join this line? See there 5 to you draw the line. Here 2 to also draw the line. 2 also meeting. Very carefully see there. 5 to draw the line straightly. There have the line or not. The line to line you join there. Otherwise scale keep and also you draw there. 5 to 5 you join the line. Next here 2 to join the line. 2 also meeting point is what is the point? One dot keep and round the right. What is the first number? 5 comma 2. A 5 comma 2. See there first axis x. x2 you see in the 5. x2 I see the 5. 5 to join 5 here have y axis 2. To line to you keep the finger and join the line. That come meeting one point or not, that point keep and round one round. First question 5 comma 2 right. Second question minus 7 comma minus 3. 2 also minus value, which quadrant there? Third quadrant. So x dash only upright. X dash y dash only see. Here this is x, this is y. Here x dash y dash. X dash to what is the number? Minus 7. Y dash to which number? Minus 3. Y dash to minus 3. See there x dash to minus 7. This line. Y to you see the minus 3. Very carefully want to keep in the finger and draw the line. 2 also meeting points. 2 also joining one point. line, there you put in the one point and round, this is a B point, minus 7 comma minus 2. All the one want to see in the first x and or x dash only want to see there. Third question, C minus 2 minus 4. Minus 2 which axis to see there? X dash side only want to see. 4 y2 only want to see. X dash to where is there having minus 2? This is x, this is the x dash. X dash to minus 2. Okay. Now y2 4. Here want to see, there want to see. Here only want to see. Why here all the one is minus value. Y only want to see. Minus 2 to see that line you draw the smally draw after you rub it. 4. 2 also meeting point C. Correctly want to put in the dot and draw the circle. Minus 2, 4. Minus 2 comma 4. This is the C point. Okay, minus 2, 4. Next question, minus 1 comma minus 1. One is x dash, another one is y dash. X dash to y dash to C. First x dash to minus 1. Y dash to minus 1. Y dash to minus 1. See there, here minus 1, here to meeting point, you dot line and put in the circle. This is the point D, minus 1 comma minus 1. Next question, 0 comma minus 5. So already I say no, x is no variable. Y dash where is there having minus? Y here y dash. Y dash to here only minus. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. So keep here point and round there. See there? This is what is the point now? E point. 0 comma minus 5. 0 comma minus 5. Next point 2 comma 0. Here y is no variable. So write in x to 2. So x to 2 here only there have you mark there. 2 comma 0. Next question, 7 here y dash to minus 4. 7 x axis, y dash to minus 4. X to see the line 7. Okay, yeah. Minus 4 here too. There are 2 lines also meeting point. This is one point and round G. 7 comma minus 4. 7 right, minus 4 correctly meeting or not check there. Finger keep 7. 4 meeting point is 7 comma minus 4. Next question, y is no variable. X dash for only minus 4. X dash for minus 4. Here keep in the point and round. This is what is the number? Minus 4 comma 0. H minus 4 comma 0. Next, I sum 2 comma 0. Y is no variable. X2 only you write. X2 2 comma 0 is already finished. I sum 2 comma 3. So x2 see in the 2, y2 see in the 3. X to 2 keep in the finger, y to 3, 2 lines also meeting point. X to 2, y to 3, I 2 comma 3. Smallly draw the line after you rub it. I 2 comma 3 you want to mark there. Fifth question, use the graph to then determine the coordinates where each figure is located. Figure for that given in the figure. Star, housefly, ant, spider, red circle, triangle, one bird, diamond, medal. This is one mango. So how to there find the point? See that very carefully. See that one. So the star line to see that first x axis to only start. Here x only want to start, y. 2 also meeting point is what is a point? First write in 3 or 2, 3. So 3, there straightly there having the number is 2. So 3 comma 2 right. Next housefly. Housefly which point to there have 2 to only there have. So write 2. Anywhere also they are not moving. 0 to only join. So 2 comma 0 right. Next spider also see very easy sum first complete there. Spider which to there have minus 2 to there have. This is y axis. First which one you write? X axis only you write. So 0 right after only you write in minus 2. Next triangle. Minus 1 meeting point is minus 1 comma minus 1. Here one red circle see there. X axis to minus 2. y-axis for also -2. First all the one want to see in the x-axis only want to see there. Bad, where is that sitting? -2 only. X-axis only sitting, so write in -2. 0, you ask the question, why miss here writing there? -2 only sitting the spider. Now why they are writing first 0? First x-axis 2 only want to see the number for. They are first to write in 0, after only write in the -2. Here and all they have in the x-axis for only sitting the 2 insects. So they are writing there housefly and bird. So -2 0. Minus next diamond -2 2. X-axis only see there. My diamond value equal to -2 comma 2. Medal -3 plus 3. -3 comma plus 3. Next one mango. So 2 should not write. 0 to only seeing there. So first x-axis is 0. Y-axis for writing the 2. These all the value here you write there. Star, bird, red circle, all the one write it there. Now this exercise is completed.